Howdy, folks. We're on a run tonight. Got this gig off the load board. It's a Chevy Equinox. Nothing too special. It's got, guy said, about 200 pounds worth of stuff loaded in it, and it's like full, like front to back, front seat, back seat. It's full of stuff. Winched it up. The guy said it was a non-op. So I usually don't bother trying to start and run them because you never know what's wrong with these cars. Got them strapped down. We're on our way south, about 2 hours. Hemi's doing fine. I run the snot out of this thing. I got engine hours. I've got idle-wise 5,528. Drive hours 4,785. It's a nice group of numbers there, with 171,000 miles on the odometer. So obviously, if you include idle hours and all that, it about doubles technically it doubles the mileage, so they say. But yeah, this truck, I beat the fudge chocolate out of it, man. I start it up and I don't turn it off until the job's done. I don't worry about idling. I don't worry about none of that stuff. It's a big Hemi. It's built to work. I do my maintenance, so I don't run my oil changes as long as most. 3 to 5,000, 5,000 tops is, which usually I'm changing it before that. I just did it this weekend. Changed it at 4,800 miles because it's had a lot of idle hours on it, probably about 150 idle hours on top of the 4,000, almost 5,000 miles. So it gets ran. I don't baby it. I had 6 tons on my car trailer a couple weeks ago. I had my brother running it. He said, yep, he was pulling a hill. He said he just put his foot to the floor and he left it there. Well, you let all those horses scream, and like once it got up to speed, it's like it took a while, but he's like once it got there, it just set the cruise and it just ran. So yeah, it doesn't get baby, not even the slightest of it. Definitely gets taken care of on the maintenance side though. But it just goes to show that the Hemi will work. You ain't gotta worry about crying about idle hours. If you didn't have an engine hours gauge, like, you know, back in the day, you know, 5-10 years ago, when you weren't able to pull up on the dash, how many idle hours do I got without a scan tool? You wouldn't worry about it. You would just buy the truck. I checked it. I saw the engine hours when I bought it. I wasn't worried about it. Not even the slightest. I just wanted something that was around 150,000 miles, and that's what it had when I bought it. I've already got 171 on it now. All hard miles. And that's it. I just keep putting fuel in it and changing the oil. I just did the brakes this year. But yeah. That's all I got for right now. Everything else has been good. Business has been like any other business. You got your high points and your low points on your weekly, monthly basis. Some days you're running around like crazy, can't keep up, and other days you're like, all right, downtime. Take that downtime and make it useful. You know, got maintenance done on the trailer, truck. Get some home stuff done. It's not that big of a deal. It's always going to be business. Had a customer I usually move his golf carts for. He got a hold of me and he's like, hey man, got an urgent, I need this overnight, like as soon as possible. I need it by tomorrow morning. Told him no problem. Got it done. Called up my backup driver and he took care of it, and then I got up early the next day and had it delivered by 7 a.m. before he was ready for it. So building that client base. But alright guys, we're in traffic and such, so I'll catch you on the next video here.